In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your flight map as an image in Flighty. Quick guide. First, open the Flighty app and head to the flight you want to share. This can be an upcoming trip you've already added or a past flight you've tracked. If you don't see it right away, use the search or your trips list to locate the exact flight. Having the correct flight selected ensures the map will reflect the right route and details. Once you're on that flight, open the flight details by tapping the specific entry. Scroll through the flight page until you reach the map or route view. This section shows your journey visually, and it's the foundation of the image you'll share. If your flight has multiple legs, make sure you're on the exact segment you want to highlight before moving on. Next, expand the map. Tap the map to open it full screen so you get the cleanest, most legible image. In full screen mode, you'll see the flight path, your departure point, and your destination laid out clearly. Take a moment here to frame the map the way you want it to appear. You can pause for a second to let the graphics render crisply, and if needed, adjust the zoom or pan slightly for the best composition. Now look for the share icon, typically located at the top right of the full screen map. Tap it to open Flighty's sharing options. If you don't see the icon immediately, tap once on the screen to reveal the controls. This share menu is your gateway to exporting the map in a format that's easy to post or send. Choose the format labeled image or, depending on your version of the app, flight card or snapshot. The image option focuses on the map itself, while a flight card or snapshot may include additional flight details in a polished layout. Pick the one that best matches how you want to present your trip. After you choose, Flighty will generate a clean map image of your flight automatically. To finish, save, or share. You can save the image directly to your phone's photo library for later use, or share it right away to places like Instagram Stories, Messenger, or other apps installed on your device. If you plan to post publicly, give the image a quick check to make sure it shows exactly what you want and nothing extra. That's it, your flight map is now ready to share in a crisp, travel-friendly image.